Hi, welcome to the Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off unknown command haptic and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then into Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and tap the audio. Then in the audio, tap the sound and haptics. Then after that, in the sound and haptics, scroll down and go to voiceover feedback section and then tap the unknown command. Then in the unknown command, find the haptic, and as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button, just like this. And that's what we have successfully turned on and off unknown command haptic and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!